In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Wix with Kit. The goal of this integration is to connect Wix with Kit so that your setup can work together smoothly. To do that, you will use the Apps area, find Wix, and then complete the setup when you install it. First, click Apps. On your screen, look for a section or menu labeled Apps, usually in the main dashboard or navigation bar. This is the place where you can browse and manage third-party integrations and connected tools. Taking a moment here helps because it ensures you are in the correct area before you search for the specific app you need. Once you click Apps, the interface should update and show you options for finding applications. Next, search Wix. After you open Apps, you should see a search field. Type Wix into the search bar so the system can filter results and show the relevant app. This step matters because it saves time and reduces the chance of selecting the wrong integration. As you type, you will usually see matching suggestions appear. Select the result that corresponds to Wix. After you find Wix, click Install. This tells the platform that you want to add Wix to your workspace or account. Make sure you are clicking the correct Wix listing, especially if there are multiple related options in the results. When you click Install, you may be taken to a confirmation screen or the setup flow for that integration. At this point, take a second to confirm that you are installing Wix and not a similarly named tool. Now that the installation is started, you will complete the setup. This part is where the integration becomes connected and ready to use. The setup process may include prompts to confirm permissions or to review the integration settings. Follow what appears on screen step by step, entering any required information only when the system asks for it. If there are checkboxes or consent screens, read them carefully so you understand what you are allowing. If the setup screen includes options, choose the ones that match your intended use case within your Kit project. While you complete setup, pay close attention to any status messages or progress indicators. These signals help you understand whether the integration is fully connected or if something still needs your confirmation. If you see a button such as Continue, Next, or Finish, that is your cue to move forward through the final stages. Keep in mind that the integration might take a short moment to initialize after you make your selections, so it is normal if the page briefly loads or updates. When the setup process finishes, the integration should be ready. You may see a confirmation message or see Wix listed as an installed application within your apps area. At this stage, it is a good idea to verify that Wix appears as installed and that there are no warnings indicating that setup is incomplete. If everything looks correct, you can proceed with using Wix within your Kit environment. That is the full process: clicking Apps, searching for Wix, installing it, and then completing the setup until the integration is connected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.